think you might.
I was in bed when I got a notification that the floods, this whole street was flooded, and I had Wellington boots on and I couldn't get through. So it was up about here at least. This whole line of buildings here, this whole street, is right on the Rhondda. It's built down onto the river. So the river, every time the river raises, which is very often, any rain, the river will come up to the building. I think a lot of people are sticking their head in the sand, looking for simple solutions, bigger walls, spend more money. You know, and obviously it's a bit devastating, you know. But, yeah, we're here, we're still here.
After time has seeped through the remaining years, and 2050 is a fairy tale, the people of Mhontypridd will say they were some of the first lost. That the telltale trickle dripped up from the taff into dreaming mouths, and adults counted up collected seeds and grains of sand and other dry things they intended to leave for their children's children. The truth is, we need more names for homes that float. The truth is, we will wake up far too late, wishing for webbed feet. Imagine one morning we all mudlark the same message in a bottle. The difference between abundance and despair is a kind word. That feeling of fingers submerged in the past, flooding our socials with likes and love, or time enough to write imaginings that seep into skin, is floating away from us like words flow through a poem. And the thing is, you can't plant seeds in a flood. Seeds drown, heavy with hope, like dreams or bricks or books. Maybe the marsh Arabs can teach us how to build mulif, to mend tiny worlds, filling in cracks with scoops of gobaith before everything else is taken by the water. The truth is, I don't know what we will do when whales and water become the same word.